Alright, it's Tuesday night out here at Shawnee Twin Lakes. About 30 seconds till line's in. Every time I fish these lakes I do terrible. So goal number one is to catch one fish. There's a deer. And then I'll come back to you after I've caught one, hopefully. Fingers crossed. 3 fish limit. Fish number one. Okay, so that was like a 5-inch fish. But I caught that one, and I saw a really nice one really close to the bank, tight to the bank, so around some grass. So we're gonna stick with that for a little bit. That's the first time I've ever caught one sight fishing. Oh, and it's a big too. Check me out. Oh. That. Check this out. Look at that. Oh, that's a nice fish. I'm so excited. I saw it. It took 3 casts to get it. 3 casts. I've never caught a fish sight fishing before, ever. That is an awesome fish. I should weigh it, but I just want to go fishing. Thank you, fish. Alright, 1 down. That was a monster. 20 1/4 is like really good for this lake. Super, super good. On little bait, June bug colored crawl that I bought this weekend. Bet. Alright, so second fish I've caught, but the only scoreable one. The other fish I caught, that one would have ate. Alright, so thus far, pattern is tight to the bank, and I saw a really good one around the corner, but I want to give that some time, see if that will reload. 2 more fish. I had one, I didn't realize it. It's exactly where I lost that one a while ago. It might be that same fish. $10 1/4. Fish number 2 on the board. I don't think it's big enough. No. Fish number 4, but too small. time I've ever gotten a limit in a weeknight tournament. Not a fish's look on board though. Third fish, first time ever to get a limit in a jackpot nighttime tournament. 15 3/4. All right, I have 3 fish. Never had a 3 fish limit before. I have one. So awesome. I'm gonna go back and hit those other spots. Maybe work over into the dock because I have a limit. Now I need to pull up. My big fish, though, I've caught exactly in these pockets of reeds. I would love to place, outright place, but I also know if I'm catching them well, everyone else is too. Like, this isn't a hard pattern to figure out, so. And it is literally 6:59, fixing to be 7 o'clock, so I have a limit of an hour and 30 minutes into the tournament. Big, but anything bigger than 10 1/4 will play. Oh, dang it, that one felt like it would help. $12 1/4, so that's a 2-inch coal. All right, there's an hour left. I've caught 4 scoreable fish, including that 20 1/4. I think I'm at 48 1/4 inches. I think it'd be really cool to break the 50 mark. So far, everything has been like right on the edge of grass, super tight to the bank. I'm just so glad I don't have to fish docks because I'm like the worst dock fisherman ever. That was going to be my plan, was to just float around and fish docks. I feel really good about my limit and I feel really good about my big fish, but man, everyone was talking about how good the fishing should be today because the lake is so low. So you never know. hold that in like a top water. Oh, that's short. I don't know if it'll hold. Just short. Too short. Alright, this is super terrible quality video because it's dark and this is all the light my truck has, but I won. I actually won my very first tournament. I'm so excited. I've placed before, I've won big bass before, which I also won big bass again tonight, but I actually won first place and I was fishing against some super talented anglers, and I am so excited that it just worked out for me. And I'm excited. It's late, I'm tired, I'm starving, but I'm so excited that I won my first tournament. I knew I had a good limit when I had the 20 1/4 on, but you just never know. You just never know. And the guy who came in second was the guy who I thought would beat me because I know how good he is, but I beat him by like 4 inches, I think. So excited. So excited to have won my first tournament.